In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right CoinSnap app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right CoinSnap app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your Android smartphone. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you should see this search bar, or if you can't find it, you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and click on it and then just search the app by its name, CoinSnap, just like that. And then search by tapping on this search icon, and you should see we have CoinSnap app, coin identifier. Go ahead and tap on it to see its features. Now, to know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Next Vision Limited app, and this is an in-app purchases, so you'll not have to pay anything for you to install this app on your phone. Currently, this app has a star rating of 4.5 with over 98,000 reviews, and this app has currently been downloaded over 10 million times. Currently, the app file size is 49 MBs. This is subject to change by the time you'll be watching this. And here is the logo of this app at the moment. If you see these features, you'll know that you have the right CoinSnap, and the tagline is Coin Identifier. To get it, go ahead and tap on Install, and this will proceed and download the app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on Open here, or if you go back to your apps, you should be able to find it, and you can see it here and then tap on it to open. This is the opening interface of this app. From here, you can continue and sign up or sign in if you already have an account. So that's how you can get the right CoinSnap app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.